Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Sakafet. Hope everybody's doing well. To all my subscribers, thank you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome, darling. So we're gonna get right into this video. I'm starting off with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I really like the consistency of this concealer. It's really thick and it acts as a good base for an eyeshadow. I'm going with this brown shade from my Juvia's Place palette. All these products will be listed down below. I always forget to show products. Like, don't come for me, please. Like, I just starting off. Like, we'll get there. I'm using this maroon shade just to deepen my crease. I didn't know what I was going for really in terms of a design. Like, I just make up these things as I go along. But I'm putting these e.l.f. strips because I don't think I wanted to do a wing. So I'm just smoking out the outer B of my eye with this black shade from my Morphe palette. And I'm doing a cut crease situation. I'm still not pro at cut crease. They can be quite frustrating. If you look at my eyes properly, like, you'll see they're very different. My eyes crease in two different locations. Like, they're just different. I can show you another time, but like, and so cutting crease to me, like, one of my creases always comes out higher because my natural crease of my eyes, they're just very different. Then I'm going in with this white shade. It had almost like pink glitters in there, so I use it as a base because I know I wanted to put glitters. I'm going with my glue and I'm just pressing on that glitter. My lighting might be a bit bright, so you're not seeing, but in the ending I will show you exactly how it looked in terms of the glitter. Putting on these pink lashes that I bought at my local beauty store, and I'm still not a pro at putting lashes, so bear with me. Going in with my BUNS moisturizer, as well as a primer, my CoverGirl primer, and everything will be listed down below. With my Becca foundation, I'm using a beauty blender and I'm just ensuring that everything blends in seamlessly. Blending takes a lot of time, so you just have to be patient. Then I'm going with my Sephora concealer, and on top of that I'm using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, a shade lighter, just for highlights. And then we just blend that in. Now you take your time when you blend. As you can see, I'm using a very light hand, and I'm just ensuring that I blend that really nice so that everything is just flawless in the end. I'm going with my Smashbox contour stick. Just contouring all the areas that we know that I always contour: cheekbone, around the forehead, although I don't have a very big forehead, but it's just for contouring purposes. My nose, and then I use my beauty blender and I just blend that in, ensure that everything blends in neatly. Using my Sacha powder, and I'm just putting that all in the areas that I concealed. Then I'm continuing to just set that contour with my contour palette. I really like that contour palette. I talked about it in the past. Setting all the places that I contoured. I'm using this random brush to just brush off any excess powder. And that is it. Like, I don't do anything like excess, and then I just use my NYX mattifying spray and I just set my face, going with my Becca blush and then some highlights. Again, I will list it down below. I will try to show these products. Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay, next time I will try to show the products as I'm going along, but the camera takes so long to focus, and just like this frustrates me. I'm going back in with that dark shade from my Morphe palette and just smoke out my bottom eyelid. And line my lip, put on a nude lipstick, pair it up with my NYX lip butter gloss. And that is it, legit. Where am I using my hands? So malcasi. Okay, let us just see the reveal. Have you not seen my last video? If you haven't, you need to check it out. This is the hairstyle on my last video. You want all the teas and how this was done, honey? it will be linked down in the description. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I turned up the light so you can see the glitter clearly. I'm very close to my backdrop so you can see the struggles of the space I'm using is very, very tiny, but that's fine. We're just starting off. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, turn on your post notifications. Catch you on the next one.